What's up, YouTube? So it's been one hell of a week. So I currently received two invites for a new job. So a contractual job because I'm a freelancer. So as a reward to myself, I bought a budget speaker, which is a $30 value speaker, which is the Z313 Logitech. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all the things that are included in the box, and we are going to run some games to test the sound, because it's not really accurate if you just record it, but I will give you some feedback after this unboxing video. So stay tuned. So the box is pretty minimalistic with the colored blue, and also at the top there is the rich balanced sound and the 50 watts label right there. So now we're going to take a look at the left side of the box with all the compatible device, which is the laptop, um, cell phone, mobile devices, and also the technical specification. So the total watts is 25 watts RMS, subwoofer is 15 watts, satellites is 5 watts times 2, and a 3.5 millimeter input jack, a headphone jack, and a control and volume controls on wired control pad, which is the dock. So on the back side of the box, you have the rich sound, simple setup, and easy control label. So now we're going to open the box. So the first thing that you're going to see is the compact subwoofer. So with its wires, this is the dock. So we have the volume control, the power button, and also the 3.5 millimeter jack for the computer. So we also have the 3.5 millimeter port on the side of the dock where you can plug your headphone. So this is the satellite speaker. So it has a matte black finish with a silver highlight on top and a glossy design underneath the silver one. So it's made of plastic, so it's pretty light. So you have the 3.5 millimeter jack where you're going to plug it at the back of the subwoofer. So yeah, the connections are pretty basic. Just have to connect your satellite speakers at the back of your subwoofer, and your subwoofer connects to your computer and to the power outlet. So yeah, so now we're going to take a look at the compact subwoofer. So I like the minimalist design. So the size of the subwoofer is less than 10 inches on both sides, and the width and the height, so it's less than 10 inches. So the width is more or less like 6 inches, and the height is more or less 8 inches, so not more than 10. So yeah, that's it guys for the unboxing. I hope you liked it, and we're now going to do some tests, although it's not that accurate. So I'm recording the sound using my condenser mic. So yeah.
I've got you in my sights. Double. Resistance neutralized. Double.
there you have it, guys. So it's not the best sound right there. I mean, I'm recording it using a microphone, it's a condenser mic, so there's going to be cuts there. But then, for a $30 value speaker, this is very good. I am really stoked. I mean, I'm mind blown right now. I mean, without the subwoofer, the speaker sounds like a normal speaker, but with a clear sound. But when the subwoofer kicks in, it's like you're having a karaoke machine inside of your room with a clearer sound. So you can really feel the vibrations there. The subwoofer is doing a great job for a $30 value speaker. So trust me, you won't regret it. I mean, you get what you pay for, but you know, for a $30 value, this speaker is very, very good. I mean, uh, if you saw a $30, I mean, if you heard a $30 value speaker, I'm not expecting this to be that this good. I mean, it performs well. So there's no a crackling sound whenever I push the volume up to maximum. So I maxed out the volume on the dock and also on my computer, but there's no I cannot hear any crackling sound like the usual sound that you hear on cheap speakers, those uh, fake yeah, let's call it fake speakers that you can hear crackling sounds whenever you boost the volume to the max level. So I tried it on music videos and movies, all are the same. So even those low quality movies uh, sounds so good. So for a $30 value, I can really really recommend this speaker. So yeah, Logitech did a great job on this speaker. So although I wish I can have a black design on these uh, this one right here on the satellite speakers. So because I want all black speakers, but unfortunately it's silver. So yeah, yeah, that's a wrap. So yeah, if you want a budget speaker that is very good and you won't regret that you bought a $30 speaker, so this is the speaker that is for you. So this is the Logitech Z313, a 50 watts speaker, so peak power. So yeah, the volume is pretty loud, and I can hear it on my comfort room. So because my comfort room is on the other side of this wall, so I can still hear the sound, and also the bass is very very good. So it's not like the usual bass that you hear where you can't even hear the vocals. So yeah, that's it. So I would recommend that you put the bass under your table or somewhere near a corner that the vibration will bounce or in your room. So I'm going to put a studio foam soon. So we'll see how that goes. So but yeah, out of the box, this is a very good speaker. So I recommend it. Must buy. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.